Welcome back, boys. Today we will be talking about owning this thing for a week, 1 week ownership review, and probably ride and speak, or probably keep it somewhere and speak. I don't know. Probably ride and speak, because that'll be better. But I might just stop for a bit and then speak over there. So yeah, I'll probably ride for a bit first. Oh yeah, this is good. Wow. Well, we stopped to see the shit. ಏನಾ yes yes but yeah, quick stop to see the shit. Yeah, so
vlog ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
one week ownership of the bike. So
Stop at my place, get my bike.
ಬಾ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ. Well, we have Nishit joining us on the ride. He's going to stop at his place, get his bike, and then come. And we are going to be going to ನಾನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೋಗು. Oh my god!
Fuck. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ
So it's been around 425 kilometers since I've ridden this, and it's been about a week since I've gotten it. Yeah, 1 week into owning the KLX 230 Indian version. Where do I start? For starters, it's beautiful to ride. I mean, the suspension is too good. Pretty much like world class to say the least. But yeah, I mean, suspension is really great. The seat is a bit of a issue if you're going for more than like, I would say like 30 minutes. It gets too hard. Yeah, the seat gets too hard. Another thing that, I mean, we'll talk about the pros first before we go, we head to the cons. Yeah, the pros are it's extremely light. Alright, so super fast acceleration even though it's just 230cc. ABS is there in the front and it's switchable. That is both a pro and a con, to be honest, in my opinion, because there's no rear ABS. But yeah, apart from that, super light. It's super peppy, super responsive to the throttle. You don't have to give a whole lot. And yeah, overall beautiful bike to own. I mean, if anyone's interested in going and trying out you know off-roading and stuff, this is like the best beginner's bike, I would say, out there that one can own. Apart from that, the headlights are beautiful. I mean, this is just the high beam and this is low beam. It's pretty accurate. I mean, it's pretty bright. Sorry. Now, coming to the cons. The cons would be, in my opinion, one, the tires too small. Two, there's no rear ABS. And I think it just ends that. Yeah. Apart from that, I don't really have anything to complain about this bike. I'm super happy with the way it handles, how responsive it gets and everything else. But yeah, oh yeah, another thing is that you will have, I don't know if it's just my back, but you will have this, oil engine light on for until the first service is what I hear. But yeah, nothing else to really complain about. It's an amazing engine, I'll give it that. So yeah, I think overall it would still be a 10 on 10 in my opinion. There's nothing that I would really change much in this bike. Maybe I just get like a aftermarket like softer seats or something. But yeah, apart from that, too good. Oh yeah, and the tank is too small, man. The tank is too damn small. I think the riding range is about 150 160 kilometers. That's all. It's not that big of a tank. It's only some 6.8 liters or something like that. But even though it's 6.8, I never filled this to a full tank with more than 5 liters. I think the max I ever filled is 4.8 or 4.4 or something like that. But yeah, pretty small tank. The exhaust, like even the stock exhaust, like beautiful. It is extremely nice. But yeah, I think that's just about it. Hope you guys like the video. Just like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.